Hey guys, Jacob here from Samuel B12. Today we're doing our first ever Lego unboxing video. This is the Lego Police Chase, and so this is set 60176. It's ages 5 to 12. Here's a look at the back of the box. So it shows we have a little guy taking a gem, and then we have a guy with a skunk on a box, and we also have, let's just put it here, guy on the raft right here, and the entire set right there. So let's open this thing and see what's inside. Alright guys, here's the completed set. So we have a nice police boat with a motor at the back. The policeman is in a light jacket driving. And for the raft, we have the guy with the paddle. We have at the back, we have a skunk on the box. In the box, we have a crowbar and 3 gems. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. See you guys next time. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to comment. See you guys later. Bye.